Hey there! In this video, we're going to show you how to make your Instagram Reels longer in just a few easy steps. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, head to your Instagram profile page by clicking on the profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on the plus icon in the top corner and choose Reels as the type of content you want to create. Now you'll see a horizontal list of icons on the left side of the screen. Look for the icon with the number 15 inches on it. This icon represents the duration of your reel. Tap on the 15 inches icon to choose the duration you want. You can choose a duration of up to 60 seconds. Once you've selected the duration you want, you can start recording your reel. When you're finished recording, tap on the share button to post your reel to your Instagram profile. And that's it. You've successfully made your Instagram reel longer. By increasing the duration of your reel, you can create more engaging and creative content for your audience. To recap, here are the steps to make your Instagram Reels longer. 1. Open Instagram and head to your profile page 2. Click on the plus icon and choose Reels 3. Choose the duration you want from the 15 inches icon on the left side of the screen 4. Start recording your Reel 5. Tap on Share to post your reel to your Instagram profile. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.